What did I hear you say? My kitchen's a mess? Yes, because I'm in the middle of baking, and I'm going to show you what I do with those breadcrumbs that I told you how to save. Remember I told you whenever you have bread pieces, cut them up and then you put them in a container, leave them out on your counter, and you have dry breadcrumbs. So I'm making some bread pudding with you. I already have 4 eggs in here that I'm supposed to beat. Then I add a 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 cups of milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. That looked like a half, didn't it? So I'm going to beat that all together now. And I have already greased my 8-inch round pan, is what it calls for. And they want you to do 3 cups of breadcrumbs. Okay, that's 4. But I have bread pieces, so I am just going to fill it up until I fill the whole bottom of it. After that, you add some raisins or any kind of dried fruit that you want to add to it. I have people in my home that like raisins, who don't like raisins. So I'm going to also add some cranberries. I'll give it a little bit of tartness too. Then once I have that, I'm going to take my mixture here and I'm going to pour it all over. What'd you say? Yeah, it was that simple. And you wonder why you haven't done it before, huh? That's it. Now there's a sauce that we're going to put on top of this. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 325 for 35 to 40 minutes. And then I'll show you how to make the sauce in the meantime. Okay, I've melted a 1/4 cup of butter. I'm adding 1 egg yolk, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. And I stir until the sugar melts and it's all combined. Then you remove it from heat and you put 2 tablespoons of whiskey in it. We have this Mash and Mallow. It's a s'mores whiskey, and this I think I used in the last time. If you don't have the whiskey, don't worry about it. This just burns off. That's the only reason we use it. It gives it that flavoring, but that has a good flavor without adding this. Doing all of that just took me 10 minutes total. So now all I gotta wait for is the bread pudding to cook. I just took it out of the oven. The egg yolk that I put inside the pan, I went ahead and put the white, mixed it in with this before I cooked it. Ooh. Let me make sure y'all can see this good. So you definitely want to check the middle, make sure everything got cooked through, and it showed that. Look at it. It's nice and not hard. Doesn't that look good? Now, if you were serving this to somebody, you could put a little whipped cream on it if you wanted to. This, I'm going to be careful because this is probably very, very hot. Oh, definitely one of my top favorite desserts, and it's so simple to make. Hope this is something you'll give a try. Have yourself a great day.